what are the key metrics I should check to evaluate PPC performance in just a few minutes? So when we talk about key metrics, it's really important for us to understand what are we looking for. When we're running ads, clearly we're looking for, did our ads generate these sales, right? We're not looking if it was a profitable sale or not. We're looking, hey, am I getting a sale from my ad? So first thing is going to be sales. Did we generate any sales? Then we're going to go down one more step, right? How many sales did we generate? Did we generate 5 sales, 10 sales, 20 sales from that specific campaign? Great. Now we know how much traffic and how much traction does that campaign generate. The third thing that we're going to look into, how much did we spend on this particular campaign? Along the line, we're going to see, hey, if we spend more, then how many sales we made. The next thing we are going to look into is ACoS. Like, what is the ratio between whatever I spent and whatever I gained, right? So these are the most important metrics, I would say, and I would argue, because most of the time what is happening is that, yes, it's great to know how many clicks, how many impressions, what was the click-through rate, and so on. But most of the time, if you're not nailing, like understanding a bigger picture of what you are tracking, then it's going to be very hard for you to understand, all right, so now I'm tracking sales, I'm tracking, hey, does my ad works? Because at this point, we're not looking into everything. We are looking into, is this worked or not? Because if it does not work, then we would have to step back one step and see, okay, when we set up the ads, did we do or what we did not do that it did not generate the performance? So again, I love to see first sales, then how many sales, then how much we spent, and then ACoS. And then along the line, we're going to see, all right, so this campaign does generate sales, it generates a large volume of sales. Next is going to be how to optimize from there. Or this campaign does not generate at all sales, we did not got any impression, why?